How to fix RoShade not working. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, go to the Play Store application on your device and search for Roblox application. So just make sure that you have an updated version of the Roblox application on your device. So as you can see, there is no option of update, so it means that my app is updated to its latest version on the device. So I'm going to go back and make a long press on Roblox application over here and then tap on app info. After tapping on app info, you just have to scroll down to find the option of clear data over here. So just tap on clear data, then clear cache, then tap on OK. Now after that, go to the app permissions and then look for all the allowed options. So here you can see there are three options that are not allowed, so just make sure that you allow this option. After that, just go back and you'll be able to fix the RoShade not working issue. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today. See you next time.